Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I will be doing a review of ROJA 51 from the House of ROJA Dove. And before we get started, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and activate that notification bell. And without further ado, let's get into this review. This is from the House of ROJA Parfums. And this is ROJA 51. It comes in this beautiful packaging. The inside is all satiny and very luxe, extremely decadent, luxurious looking, very over the top. I love it. It's so extra, so shishi, beautiful. This is what the fragrance looks like. It says ROJA on the side. The top has the crystals. Very, very elegant, very extravagant. This bottle screams luxury. It's beautiful. This is an absolutely stunning fragrance bottle. One of the more luxurious that I own in my collection. I can't get over this top. It's crystal. It's beautiful. I actually picked this one up at Max Aroma, which was having a sale on the ROJA fragrances at the time. They had great deals on all the different fragrances. This one stood out the most to me. I also looked it up on Fragrantica, and this one had good reviews, and this sounded like it was a safer blind buy than some of the other ones from that house. I had never smelled anything from the House of ROJA, and I haven't had any samples, so this was a complete blind buy. I took the plunge, I bit the bullet, and I mean the price was really good, so I just couldn't pass it up. I wanted to own one of these fragrances, and so I went with the 51. I will read the notes. There's one top note listed. The top note is bergamot. Middle notes are lily of the valley, rose, gardenia, orange blossom, jasmine, tuberose, ylang ylang, raspberry. Base notes are violet leaf, anise, cinnamon, cloves, patchouli, cashmere wood, sandalwood, benzoin, vanilla, and orris root. So, what does all that mean? There's a lot of notes going on in here, but I don't pick up all the notes in here. I do pick up the raspberry and the bergamot in the opening. Smell the raspberry, that's prominent. I do smell some of the vanilla, but other than that, all those notes that I read to you mean nothing. Not that they mean nothing, but they don't translate into the scent. This is so well blended that you can't pick out all of these notes separately. I mean, the orris root gives it some of the powderness that it has, and the sandalwood makes it a little creamy too. And of course, I get the vanilla, but all the other flowers, the floral notes, I don't really pick up individually. I can't say that I can smell them separately from each other. This is very well blended. So this fragrance is super soft. It's very feminine. It's slightly powdery. It's creamy. It's floral. It's sweet. It's fruity. It smells expensive. It smells like an expensive fragrance. It smells like money. It smells rich. It smells elegant, extravagant, and yet it smells cozy at the same time. So this is definitely a fragrance that you can wear out, or you can wear to bed or at night just to chill, maybe watch Netflix. This is like a really nice, soft, warm type of scent. And it's just effortless. It smells effortless. It smells like you didn't put too much thought or time into your scent that day. So after about an hour, this dries down to a skin scent. And it becomes like a soft blanket wrapped around you. And it creates this scent bubble around you that only you can smell. So this fragrance does not have a projection. The sillage is not there. This is really a skin scent. It's a very expensive skin scent, let me tell you. For this price, I would like the scent to talk to me, to talk to others, to let its presence be known, to maybe even offend some people. I want it to project like crazy. I just expect a lot for a luxury fragrance like this with this price point. I don't mind skin scents one bit. I do own quite a few, which there's a time and a place for. And of course, you know, we all want to own a few of those. We don't want all our fragrances to project like crazy. We don't want to choke people out in intimate settings. But like I said, for this price point, I was really expecting a powerhouse as far as performance goes. Other than that, there are no complaints. This scent is lovely. It's very delicate. Like I said, it's feminine. Upon the dry down, you get this coziness, this blanket wrapped around you. It's a bit powdery. It's a bit creamy. And like I said, it does smell expensive. This is a pretty safe blind buy if you're willing to splurge. And like I said, this scent is not offensive. This is a crowd pleaser. Crowds probably will not smell it on you. If it's somebody close to you that gets super close to you, they will, and they will enjoy the scent. It's not going to choke them out. It's not going to bring on a headache or asthma attack. Well, I can't stop with this top. This is gorgeous. This is just luxury, luxury, luxury. Yeah, I think it's definitely a safe blind buy. There's nothing offensive about it. And having said that, and there's nothing super unique about the scent, if I'm being honest, because let's just say some of those offensive scents are very unique. You know, there's a uniqueness about them. You have Alien, you know, you have that in Dollar Jasmine. It's very unique and polarizing, but it has that signature something about it, you know? This one is not really identifiable. If I was to smell this on someone, I wouldn't be able to pinpoint it. I wouldn't be like, oh yeah, that's ROJA 51. Not, you know, the same type of thing. So having said that, I just want to put it out there so that you can make a decision in case you were looking into purchasing any of the ROJA fragrances, or this one in particular, or you just didn't know which one you wanted, but you were in the market for a ROJA fragrance. So yeah, this is probably the safest one from that house, especially based on Fragrantica reviews that I've read. Likability is there. I would give the likability a 10. I would give the scent a 9.5. As far as performance goes, I will give it a hard 5. Because, I mean, I do recognize that some scents don't need to project that much, but I would like this one too. But otherwise, it's just a lovely, feminine, gorgeous scent. And I definitely do want to check out more from this house. I want to order some samples and see what else they have, because maybe some of the other ones I will find more interesting for myself. So this is ROJA 51 from ROJA Parfums. So guys, that completes my video for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope it was helpful to you. And please let me know if you tried anything from this house, or, you know, if you own any of them, if you've tried samples of them, if you tried this one, please let me know what you think about it. If you haven't tried it, which ones you would like to try. So thank you again, and I hope to see you back here soon. Take care.